Good morning, teacher. I'm Gavakshi, and today my presentation is on stratosphere. Stratosphere is a layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere as we go upwards. The stratosphere accounts for approximately 24% of the Earth's total atmosphere. The stratosphere contains approximately 19% of the Earth's total atmospheric gases. 90% of the Earth's ozone layer is found in the stratosphere's upper crust. Here is a mind map on stratosphere. No weather occurs in stratosphere. This layer holds 19% of the atmosphere's gases, but very little water vapor. The stratosphere extends around 31 miles. Ozone, an unusual type of oxygen molecule that is relatively abundant in the stratosphere, heats this layer as it absorbs energy from the incoming ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Stratosphere is just above the troposphere and below the mesosphere. The stratosphere accounts for approximately 24% of the Earth's total atmosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Acknowledgement. I would like to thank my teacher, Ms. Rituparna, who gave me the opportunity to do this wonderful project on this topic, stratosphere, which also helped me in doing a lot of research, and I came to know about so many new things and had the chance to revise the topic. I'm really thankful to her. Thank you.